In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change member permissions in Asana. Whether you're tightening access for sensitive projects or giving a teammate more control, adjusting permissions keeps your workspace organized and secure. I'll walk you through each action clearly so you can make the right choices with confidence. First, open your Asana workspace and head to the specific project or team where you want to make the change. Double check that you're in the correct workspace if you manage more than one. It's easy to be in the wrong place without noticing. Once you're in the right project or team, give the page a moment to fully load so all the controls appear. Next, look for the Share or Members option. You'll typically find it near the top right of the screen, often labeled Share, Members, or represented by a small icon showing people. Click that to open the Access panel. This is where you can see who already has access and what level of control they have. Now select the person whose permissions you want to adjust. If there are many people listed, use the search field in that panel to quickly find them. Confirm you've chosen the correct individual by checking their profile details, and take a moment to ensure you're not mixing up teammates with similar names. It's worth pausing here because the changes you make will affect what they can do immediately. From here, choose the appropriate role or permission level. Member or editor allows someone to create and edit tasks and make everyday changes. Commenter is ideal when you want someone to provide feedback without altering structure or content. Viewer is read only, perfect for stakeholders who just need visibility. Admin is the most powerful role, generally reserved for team or project owners who manage settings, membership, and higher level controls. If you're unsure, follow the principle of least privilege. Give the minimum access needed to do the job, and you can always increase it later if required. Keep in mind that exact role names and capabilities may vary slightly depending on your Asana plan. Finally, save your changes to update access rights. The button may read Save, Update, or Done, and in some cases, Asana applies changes automatically. Once saved, you should see the new role reflected next to the person's name. Asana may notify them of the change, so there's nothing extra you need to do. That's it. By opening the right project or team, using the Share Members panel, selecting the person, choosing the correct role, and saving, you've successfully managed permissions in Asana.